Hi, in this video we are going to show you how can we insert picture in Excel, and you just need to go to this insert, click on this picture, and main topics of this video is this two. Okay, so place in cell, and I can place image on cell like this. Okay, and it will put those three images on this three cell like this, and you can see these are embedded on the cell. So if I just change this, then it automatically changes the size as well. Okay, so that is place in cell option, or you can choose picture place over cell this device, and if I choose one, then it will place over the cell. It's not putting that in the cell itself. Okay, so if you want to place this image in the cell itself, then you can select that image, place in cell, click on that place in cell, and it will put that image in the cell. And if you want to get this image out of the cell, then place over cell. Okay, so that's it for this video. In the next video, I'm going to show you how can we place in cell multiple images. So let's say if I have one image like this, and I do have another image on this, then how can we automatically put this image on this cell, and this one, this cell, and it's for all the images of this particular box. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.